Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's all start with our dreams. Every bride has visions. So now exactly what they want are domestic ball gowns, lace sleeves, long train flowing behind them like a royal. Others work is ensure nervous helmets by option but not weathers. They are beginning. Every bride is searching for the same things, the feels, the moment, what you hooks, the middle, and you just like now. In today's video, we are behind one of bride journey from yes to the ring to yes to the dress. This is more than a shopping trips. It's about love, identity, family, and the magic of transformation. Settle in and come with a use from bride to the dress. She got engaged and a quiet beach at sunset. Just two barefoots into the sand, trees in their eye. He got down a moment frozen his times. From that day on, the weddings planning where we began Venice. Guest list, colors, flowers, but there was now things one of her minds more than anything. The dress I loved, we dreamed about these moments. I was a little girl, she say, holding per princess board, saffron. The wedding is only month away, and today finally it's time to find day more. Starting by asking one key questions. How do you want to feel on your wedding days? It describes silk and floral designs. Afterwards, she takes a breath and reflects. She laughs a million times, yes. Everyone cheers. There's a group hugs. Camp, champ jeans in popped. Picture as taken is not just a dress anymore. It is a memory of moment, a promise. Afterwards, she takes breath and reflects. It was not what I thought. I don't. I come in pic. I come in thinking. I do go something totally different. But when I say myself in it, I just know that she do think about wedding dress. They don't just match your body, match your hearts. They remind you take your love stories real, that your big day is coming, that you are the bride now. And just like that, the brides comes, the brides. She walk out of the shop glowing, and not just of the because, but because of what it means for engagements to fittings to hair wedding days. Walk. This is just the beginning of hair forever. Until next time, may your dress be perfect, your heart be full, and your love story continue to unfold. Bridal dresses the same showcase taking about fabrics, emotional and that she bride. A first look thus reveals only dramatics, music packed real bride interview, boutique bridal days in the life of stylish of the brides. Let me know her videos or channels vibes and I can tailor it more closely. Until next time, may your dress be perfect, your heart be full, and your change love story continue unfold. She walked one of the shop, blowing not just on the dress because of what it means for engagements to fitting to her weddings. Wow, this is just the beginning of hair forever. Thank you for joining us on the beautiful journey. If you loved this story, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more behind the scenes bridal moment, real stories, and her stories and all think of wedding days. Thank you for watching on my videos.